Hey, welcome to the morning brief. It is Friday, December 1st, first month of the last month of the year. Very, very good that we are in December. Yay. What do we have on the docket today for news? We have some 9:45 final manufacturing PMI, and then at 10 a.m. we have ISM manufacturing PMI and manufacturing prices, as well as construction spending and FOMC member Goolsby speaking. We also have the Ward's total vehicle sales that will be it comes out all day. 11 a.m. we have Federal Chair Powell speaking. He also speaks at 2 p.m. as well as Member Cook speaks. So we have a lot of talking heads talking today. I will be sitting on the sidelines at 11. He'll probably just repeat what he said at 11. He'll repeat it at 2, so maybe no new information, but we'll have to wait and see. Very potentially market moving at 11. So we have some interesting news at 10 and at 11. So pay attention to that. Taking a look at the daily chart. Daily chart here just looks like a gigantic bull. What do you want to call this? A bull flag. And, it is what it is. What happens in a bull market, the bull flag will break to the upside. Okay, so there's your flagging side there. And you can see that we already had a breakout. We already had that breakout, but it did break to a double top and retrace. So it's just fighting to go sideways here. Surprising yesterday was not a down day. I really thought we'd have some follow through to the downside, but they managed to keep it going sideways, basically. It's going to do this, could do this for multiple days, but the probability is that it's going to break to the upside. And again, that just depends on how you look at it. If this is the trend you're looking at, it's going to break to the upside. If the trend is the bigger trend, then it's probably going to come down to it's going to retrace, at least, I would say it's going to retrace it back at least to 44.24. Back down in this area, but we'll have to wait and see what happens. Looking at the 60-minute for inventory, very interesting. Positive price action, negative inventory. So we've had three days here where we've had declining inventory, and price has been down and as well as up, about average. I don't know. I think that this is saying is still, I think the smart money is moving to the sidelines, at least for the short term. That's my gut feeling there. Looking at the intraday, the overnight action was approximately 19 points. So that's about average, maybe to the low side of average. We're flirting with the lows of the overnight action. Where do we have support resistance? Resistance-wise, obviously, we have the overnight high. I'm going to say 45.84, 45.90. Obviously, the 4600 has been a real block. They haven't been able to get going above that. 4607. And there's also, there is some around 4624. Support. We definitely have some support around the 45.52. I'm going to expand that and say 45.50 area. Below that, 45.44, 45.16, and of course 4500. We're closer to 4600 than 4500, but that seems to be the basic range we've been trading in. Stock Trader's Almanac for Friday is 38.1%, which is a negative bias by a large factor. And I did have to double check it because it's exactly the same number as yesterday, which means we had 2 days in a row with negative expectancy from the Stock Trader's Almanac. Again, historics are what they are, but it's nice to know what those historics are. Have a great day. We'll see you after the weekend on Monday. Remember to subscribe, comment, and like. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.